Okay, put it on there.
Oh,
what color do you want?
I want blue with it again. Now
That's
I
for fun.
want.
I have a bunch to do, so.
What do you?
I'm trying to flip it.
I want orange and blue.
Thanks.
Orange and blue.
Well,
Orange.
Well, I got green on the bottom.
Hey.
Okay, is that enough?
Yep.
Want to flip it? Yeah?
Oh my goodness, that's actually really pretty. Looks
Okay,
like
what color do you want?
Now
We'll
I
put it
need
in
to be
there.
very careful and cautious when I do this.
Use your fingers. Dye will come off
Do you
your
want a
fingers.
spoon?
Me?
Yeah.
Are you done?
No, I want to put a little bit of purple on it.
A
I
little
kind
bit
of
of
want
purple.
to try
on
the
it.
dye. Can I try the dye?
Right, then I'm gonna come over there and help you because I don't want that everywhere.
I'm just gonna. I have nowhere. It's going right there. No wait, I got a perfect
I can't
idea
put
for this.
purple
now.
on it.
I put a little surprise on there. What colors do you want?
Wait, I want to see the fry.
I like to think it's not that staining, but I don't know.
Okay.
And then how do I wash this off?
Okay.
You flip it over to the other side and you don't. How many,
All the colors.
Turn a darker color.
Well, it's like a greenish kind of color.
Let's go. Do a different one.
Okay, be careful now.
Let's do a different
That's kinda pretty.
one when this egg is getting darker.
The one, it's like I saw it on the box and I'm like, I want to do that.
That's all from last year, isn't it? That box?
What box?
Is that box all from last year?
This with all the dye and all
Leave
that.
it in there longer.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Can I try?
That's
Oh,
dry
no.
on that. Let's flip
This
it over,
is a
but see,
monster
it's
egg.
not dry there, so.
And I got it on me. Oh.
Not dry. Yeah.
Well,
Oh my goodness, that's like so pretty.
you can do it.
That is so pretty.
We're gonna leave the egg.
That is so
reaching over
pretty,
these.
Mom. That is so pretty. Oh my God, it's like a
Okay, what color do you
unicorn. Spazzed
I
out
want
stuff.
purple.
Is that the purple one? Why do I have a feeling this egg's gonna fall?
Because I don't know where to grab it by.
Do you want something written on it?
You know what?
Oh yeah.
Like what?
Yeah, go underneath it.
Should we put mommy on it?
Let's put a butterfly.
Yeah, there you go. There you
A
go.
Life
butterfly.
hacks.
Yeah.
Life hacks.
And we can draw mom on it. Draw mom's name on it too.
I don't know if I can do a butterfly.
This is so bad. I'm gonna go die on the egg.
Okay.
And you want to put your
Doing
hands
random
and then you
stuff
can
with
do
this
it.
egg. It's
right?
Well, I'm using this egg for it.
It's
No,
just
put it
random
back so it doesn't
stuff.
be long.
I don't know.
I want.
Or do you want to do it? I'll let you do it.